beautiful journey through heaven and earth. This is a relaxing and sleep-inducing journey through nature's greatness and the beauty and serenity of heaven. Ideal for deep, restful sleep or for stress relief. All you have to do is to listen and try the best of your ability to shut out the outside world and imagine what I describe to you. Pleasant scent, sensations, and visions that will refresh, relax, and refuel you with peace and positivity. Let the journey begin. You find yourself on the most beautiful, peaceful beach. It's totally deserted. The sand is white and soft, covered with seashells and rocks and seaweed. There are a few seagulls in the sky flying by. The water is a beautiful blue color. There are hardly any waves. The water seems so quiet, and seeing this brings with it great stillness to your mind. You can see the sky perfectly light blue with some clouds. The sun is shining down on this gorgeous scenery and on you as well. There is a clean breeze with a faint, fresh scent of the clear ocean. A bit salty, if you will. It refreshes your being, calms you more and more with each breath that you take. Feel the sand beneath your bare feet, so smooth and soft. Take a seashell from the sand, feel it between your fingers. It has a smooth, silky surface. Its marble colors are really gorgeous. Pinkish, pearly white color. The sun is warming your entire body from the inside out, relaxing you and making you feel completely safe and welcome. on this wonderful, peaceful beach. It is as if nature itself is taking care of you and embracing your presence. You are a child of the universe, no less than the stars and trees, and the sand on this beach, as well as the waves in the big ocean. You have every right to be here right now, enjoying the sight, sounds, scents, and sensations to the fullest, and let yourself surrender to the beautiful beach. Take a few moments now before we continue our journey. Breathe in and feel the powerful, majestic scenery. Now there's a bridge that leads up into the woods. You find yourself walking amongst great pine trees, oak trees, chestnut trees, and all sorts that you can imagine. It's the fantastic, untamed forest. Look around you. Here there are so many species, not only of trees, but also of flowers and bushes. Some trees have white and smooth bark. Some are a medium brown bark with a rougher surface, and some are almost black and deeply grooved, as they have been here for hundreds and hundreds of years. The sunlight is peeking through from above, giving life to every single little leaf, every single tiny flower and strain of grass. You notice birds in the trees singing their tunes that only free birds can sing. This is exactly how you feel right now, like a free bird that is finally able to let their spirit sing the song of freedom. You can hear the gentle rustling of the leaves in the trees as the wind courses through the woods. You can smell the fresh, light green grass and the earth fresh scent of pine from the grand pine trees, and the sweetness and aromas from flowers of all kinds, calming your mind, body, and spirit. You let your hand gracefully touch the leaves as you walk by the majestic trees. They feel soft against your hand, almost like a feather tickling the inside of your skin. The pine cones with a rough texture, and the dry twigs cracking under your feet as you walk through the forest. You are now growing tired from your journey, first on the beach and now through the forest. And you decide to approach a nice large rock that is in the clearing of the forest. It has been heated by the sun. Walk up to it and let your hand run over its smooth surface. It has the perfect temperature, and you decide to lay down on it, and your body fits perfectly, almost like the stone takes shape after your body. It feels like the most comfortable, most pleasant chair you have ever tried. Feel how your body grows lighter and lighter. And from here, as you look up, you can see the light blue sky with the wispy white clouds. Take some moments now to enjoy the feeling, to enjoy the sounds and sensations as you lay on the warm, comfortable rock in the forest. And I shall return to you for the final step of the journey. The rock beneath you slowly becomes softer and softer until it no longer feels like a rock to you, but more like a cloud. You can now see that the skies gently fading into a beautiful sunset. There was a wide spectrum of colors, goes all the way from the nice light blue color to a yellowish color, going over into an orangey red color as it fades out into all possible colors that you can imagine. As you go along, you'll notice the dark blue color fading gradually more and more into the other colors, and that the stars are beginning to peek out, twinkling and winking at you. You can smell the clean, cool air relaxing you, make you feel very, very calm and carefree. You have complete sense of weightlessness and peace in your body. Serenity is pure, and you feel completely free from any sort of obligations and responsibilities. All of this is not important. What is important and what you can't help but do as you follow my suggestions is to completely immerse yourself into this deeply relaxing, invigorating experience. Drift into the scenery of absolute wonder. Feel yourself daydreaming, looking at the clouds as they shift patterns and the colors that gradually change. You feel deeply tranquil, and you can now either choose to fall into a deep, tranquil sleep, or you can now choose to become more aware as you have now enjoyed your relaxing and stress-relieving experience. And you can continue your day